How to play YouTube videos in background while using your iPhone. If you want to play YouTube videos as a background while using other apps, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, you have to go through your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings homepage, scroll down a little bit. There you will see general options. Simply tap on that. From here, you need to go through picture in picture and make sure that start PIP automatically is toggled on. Once you check that, go through your YouTube application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner and select the setting gear icon. From here, go through the general. If PIP option is available in your settings, then toggle it on. If not, then you can leave it. Now you can play YouTube videos in your background. If this doesn't work, then you have to use premium YouTube. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.